Okay, it's Saturday again. We're working on this rent house or this mobile home, and our goal today is to replace this fascia board that you see goes around. And we're gonna go around looking at all this, take the old fascia off and replace that. Hopefully the GoPro will pick that up. See how nasty that is? We're gonna replace that, put new, because next comes the roof and trailer. Got our supplies. Let's see how this works out. Okay, so we're tearing off the fascia. A little bit of the soffit right there was bad, so I'll replace that today. I got my worker working. She's doing a good job. She's tearing off the soffit for me. Overall, the underlying substructure looks good though. A couple of places a little where it's been wet, but it's not to the point it's too bad we can't just go with that. Alright, this is what it looks like at the end of the day. We've got new fascia board, as well as in the damaged areas we put new soffit, which is right there. Got that nice and clean. So everything's nice and tight. So next step is to we're gonna put a metal roof on it. So anyway, it took us pretty much most of the day to do this. Let's take you around back. Back also looks really good as far as the fascia board. All right, so we're working on the roof. We've got, I'd say, about a third of the roof done, and hopefully we can get the rest of it done today. We're going down with 1x4 las screwed into the rafters, and then we're going with the 3/4 inch polypro insulation, and then the metal on top of that. So next time you see it, hopefully this thing will be done and looking good. Okay, so this is the derelict property now, and we have completed the roof. We have I chose the Galvalume top, and I used Galvalume for the drip edge, and I used charcoal for the gable. So roof looks really nice, I think, for two amateurs. Let me see if I can get a better view out here. There we go. I don't know if this GoPro will pick it up this far away, but anyway, I'm going to try to give you a photo of what it looked like when we first bought it. So little by little, every Saturday we come out here, work on it. Today we not only finished the roof, but we also started working on the walls, exterior walls. Under these gable ends, that's where water drips, and so naturally that's where there was some rot under on the walls here, and we took the exterior siding out and replaced any substructure that was rotted, and went back with new exterior siding, same stuff that came off of the mobile home. So only thing I've got left to do on this front is work on this door, and of course I need to replace the windows. So windows, doors, and then I'll start moving around to the back of it, and work on that part as well. But anyway, that's what it's looking like so far. Again, this isn't painted, this is just rough state. Thanks.